little rabbit. Boom, ba ba boom, ba ba boom, ba ba boom. Oh no, here comes Big Papa Bear. Uh-oh, I think he wants to play with us. Hi guys, can I play with you? Asked Papa Bear. Sorry, Papa Bear, we are playing hide and seek, and you are too big and too easy to find. So, poor Papa Bear sat and watched the other animals play hide and seek. What games do you want to play? Asked Susie Snake. I want to play tag, shouted Fanny Fox. Boom, ba ba boom, ba ba boom, ba ba boom. Oh no, here comes Big Papa Bear. Uh-oh, I think he wants to play with us. Hi guys, can I play with you? Asked Papa Bear. Sorry, Papa Bear, we are playing tag, and you are too big and too easy to catch. So, poor Papa Bear sat and watched the other animals play tag. What games do you want to play? Asked Sammy Skunk. I want to play hot potato, shouted Little Rabbit. Boom, ba ba boom, ba ba boom, ba ba boom. Oh no, here comes Big Papa Bear. Hi guys, do you want to play a game with me? Asked Papa Bear. Well, what game do you want to play? I want to play tag of war, said Papa Bear. How do you play that? Follow me and I will show you, said Papa Bear. Now you pull your end and I will pull mine, said Papa Bear. If you pull me into the water, then you will. It's too bad, shouted Tommy Turtle. No problem, they're made of us, said Little Rabbit. Wow, that was so much fun. Papa Bear, you are so strong. Yeah, Papa Bear, you can be our mighty any day. Thank you for listening.